Hello friends, in this video today we will see how to install MySQL. So let's go to the browser. I am using Chrome browser. You can use any other browser also. Just type MySQL. Okay, click enter. Now click on the first website. It is official website for MySQL. So click on download section. Click on download section. After that, scroll down, go little below. Yeah, here MySQL community downloads. Click on this. Now we need for our Windows operating system, so I will click on MySQL installer for Windows. I will choose it is for 32-bit processor, but it can also be used for 64-bit processor. So I will click the second one. See here, this site is asking for login or sign up, but we don't want to login or sign up, so we will just click no thanks, just start my download. Okay, so download has started, and it is a large file of 432 MB, so it will take time. It also depends on your internet connectivity, so let's wait, and once download will complete, we will start. Our file has been downloaded, so we will just double click to install it, or we will open it. It is installing. It will take some time. Click on yes. Actually it is a large file, so it is taking time to install, so we have to keep patience. What warning it is giving: mandatory SQL installer upgrade available. To continue receiving product catalog updates, you must apply this upgrade. Click on yes. Now here we will select which application we need. So I don't need all applications, so we will click on custom and we will click next. See here in custom we will need only MySQL server, so I will expand this MySQL server, select this, and I will click on this arrow, so it came here. And for application we need one Workbench. We don't need all the applications, so MySQL Workbench, we will expand Workbench and click on this arrow. Okay, and one thing more we will need, that is MySQL shell. Actually MySQL shell is a command line, okay, and Workbench is graphical user interface, so both are important, so take this one also. And then we will click on next. We will click on this execute button. So it is the latest version of MySQL, that is 8.0.31. it will install one by one, so here also it will take some time, so we have to wait. See, one pop-up came here, like we need to install Microsoft Visual C++ also. Actually SQL is internally written in C++, so we have to install this one also. So click on install. So it is installed successfully. Click on close. Then see, our all three tools have been installed, so we will click on next button, execute button. It will be installing one by one. Yeah, it is lengthy process, so we have to keep patience, and it also depends on your net connectivity speed and your system processor, so let's wait. Here all three tools have been downloaded and installed successfully, so we will click on next button. So again we have to configure, so we have to click on next. See here, default port is for MySQL, it is 3306, so we will keep it as it is. And here we need to set a password, username and password. So recommended is a strong password encryption and for authentication, so we will keep it. And password, we will give one password, one strong password, so I am giving one password. You can give any special character and numbers or character to make it strong. So after that I will click on next. You can also create some custom user, but leave it for now. So click on next, click on next. Now click on execute. The configuration for MySQL was successful. Click on finish to continue. Again click on next. Now click on finish. See, Workbench has opened and cell is also opened. Now we will set the path variable. Go to this PC, see program files. Here we will go to MySQL, then MySQL server 8.0. click on copy that path, then we will search environment variable, edit the system environment variables. We will open this, scroll little down, go to path and double click. We will click on new, then paste that path. OK and OK. So our path variable has been set. So now just open command prompt, cmd. Now let's check our SQL has installed or not. MySQL minus version. See, SQL 8.0 has been installed, so it's coming here. Now we will try to open SQL shell script. So for that we will open cmd, command prompt as run as administrator. OK, yes. So one command we will enter here is MySQL minus u for username is root, minus p stands for password. So here we will enter our password and then enter. See, we have entered to MySQL server. So let's check our default databases which is already created. So show databases. See, there are some default databases are present here. If we want to create our own database, then create database db name. See, query is OK, one row affected. Again we will check databases. See, one db name database is created successfully. So we have checked with the command line interface. Also we will open the Workbench. It is already opened. So we will open root user and enter the password which we have gave earlier, and we will check here that database is showing or not which we have created. So let's check. So databases, see, db name database is coming here. So we have successfully installed MySQL in our system, and that's it in this video. Thank you.